What's up, everybody? It's Esteban from Cream City Kicks, back at it with another review. Today it's going to be on the Pine Green Jordan 1s, so let's get right into it.
This is illegal, you know.
Got a regular box here, regular Nike box. Nike logo on the front, size tag right here. Official colorway is Pine Green / Black Sail. This is at 8.5. This size is at 8.5. This is 10.5 right here. So first thing right off the bat, you could tell these have some nice quality, especially on the side panel right here, on this sail color. This particular pair is really good quality, but you can see on this pair, not the same as this one right here. And even on this side, not the same. Still nice though, but this particular pair is really good. So on the front toe cap, we got black that goes all the way around and up the sides with a green toe box. We have more of the green right here on the laces. On the heel back here, we have green, and then up on the heel collar we got the black Nike swooshes on both sides with a black tongue on the men's pair. Green Nike Air on the tongue here, and then a white insole with green lettering, the same Nike Air. And then we got a white or sail midsole with a green sole. Overall, I think this shoe is I personally like this pair better than the purple pair. This shoe, the shade of green they used was super hard to me. I love this pair personally. The purple pair was alright. We had a few pairs of those, and colorway wise, this pair is better to me. I think I'd go with the black laces if I ever lace these up. We camped out at Villa for these. We got for the court purples. We got about 5 pairs of those in some decent sizes. Sold all of those, and then ended up finding out that the Finish Line close to us had leftover pairs. So we ran there, bought about 7 pairs from the Finish Line, all men's sizes. They're over there. So now we have those. Prices for these are going for, depending on the size, I think like 8 through 9.5 goes for around probably $330 to $280. Anything above like a 10.5, 11 goes for like $230, $200, something around there. But for the court purples, those, I don't know if those were more limited or what, but those seem to be going for a lot more. The size 8 through 9 right now, as of 9/23 on Sunday, those are going for about $400 plus. So yeah, these are, to me, super clean shoe. Both pairs, honestly, both pairs. Even though I like this pair more, both colorways are super clean. Nice material on these. Can't go wrong with them. Can't go wrong. That's about it though. But make sure to follow us on Instagram at cream.city.kicks. I'll leave the link down below. We're gonna try to post more YouTube videos. We're slacking. I just started school. My brother just started school, so it's tough. But we're gonna keep trying to post more videos as we go along. Let us know in the comments what pair you guys like more, this pine green pair or the court purple pair. Let us know in the comments. As always, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.